Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure both video sources are connected and powered. This prevents delays once you enable split screen. Use HDMI for the clearest signal and label ports mentally so you know which is left or right. Press the Home button and navigate to Settings, then General. Find Device Connector or Multi-View depending on your model. Once you see the Multi-View menu, proceed. That menu is where you pick the two inputs and split screen layout. Once in Multi-View, pick the layout that matches your needs, side by side for two equal sources, picture-in-picture for a main focus plus small feed. Make sure to assign each pane explicitly. Select the left pane, then pick HDMI 1 or the app. Select the right pane and pick HDMI 2 or tuner. If one source is an app like Netflix, choose its tile instead of HDMI. After assigning inputs, confirm and watch both feeds stabilize. You can adjust audio focus next. To finish, set which pane carries the audio, select the pane and choose audio focus or route sound through an external receiver. Then fine-tune aspect ratio and zoom for each pane so both images display correctly. Some sources need 16:9 versus original ratio. If picture or sound fails, restart the TV and the source devices, reseat HDMI cables, and check for a firmware update in settings. If problems persist, try swapping inputs to isolate a bad cable or device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.